You know, there is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can. That goes for you, that goes for me. There isn't a man alive that is not capable of doing more than he understands or believes about himself or thinks that he can do. We have limitless potential down within us, and the more that we expand and reach and get outside of our comfort zones and test ourselves and push ourselves through that test, that course, that grit, that pain, that effort, that strength building, we see that there's so much potential within mankind. There's so much potential in you. There's so much potential in me. You can accomplish almost anything that you set your mind to. If the mind can believe it and it can conceive it, you can achieve it. And so you have to dig deep and find your limitless potential and put it to use for you. Put it into play and see what you can accomplish. Dream bigger, think more. Realize that whatever level you're thinking at, there is another level that you can reach. And people have often reached higher levels than what you have, and so if they can do it, what is stopping you from doing it other than your limiting beliefs? Find that potential deep down and go after it and go accomplish something amazing. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you, and I promise you, that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.